Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you a Barbecue Nation style crispy corn recipe. So here I got 100 grams frozen sweet corn and a corn flour and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. So we are going to blanch our sweet corn. Here I got a boiling water and I'm adding our sweet corn into it. So let's boil it for a few minutes until the sweet corn gets cooked. I think it is done, so we are going to drain the water from the sweet corn. So it is drained. So this is the time to season it. So here I got a bowl. So I'm going to transfer the cooked sweet corn into it. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and a 2 tablespoon corn flour. I'm using a teaspoon, guys, for the corn flour. So I have added 2 teaspoons of corn flour, equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So it looks like it was not enough, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons again. So altogether I have put 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So it looks good. So this is the time to fry the corn. So here I got a pan. I have added an oil in it. So let's check it. Oh, it is hot enough. So now we are going to fry our corn. So keep stirring, guys. It looks cooked. So this is the time to remove the corn and transfer to a kitchen paper to remove all the excess oil from it. This is a very easy recipe, guys. So here in a bowl, I'm going to transfer the fried sweet corn. And I'm going to season it again with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, one teaspoon of chaat masala powder, one teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and a teaspoon of salt. It is according to your taste, and a little bit of coriander leaves. So mix all together. See to it that all the masala is mixed to the sweet corn and it is coated. So now it is ready. So before serving it, guys, we just put in a beautiful plate I love my plate. It's a white color. And before serving it, just garnish with a coriander leaves to get a very good presentation. Enjoy!